3 secret weapons to defeat allergens in your home. Finally, spring has sprung. You open the windows to let in some sunshine and fresh air. But do you know that along with that lovely spring air, you're also inviting in allergens? Add in dust mites, viruses, bacteria, and pet allergens that already live in your house every day. You've got quite the cocktail that's messing up your vibe. You're sneezing, itching all over, your eyes are red and watery. Not exactly the spring you signed up for, right? So, what can you do? How can you swiftly and effectively kick those allergens out of your house? Check out these 3 weapons that will wage war on air pollutants and allergens. And not just that. Weapon number 1, Air Purifier. This little gadget wipes out pollen, dust mites, viruses, bacteria, allergens, and mold. It's compact and fits into any room, bedroom, living room, or kids' room. It works like a big vacuum cleaner. It sucks in room air and pushes it through a series of filters. The HEPA filter catches dust, pet hair, and flower pollen. The carbon filter soaks up smells, like from the kitchen or cigarette smoke. The last filter, or UV light, zaps bacteria and viruses. It's like a mini disinfecting station. After passing through the filters, the air is totally clean. The purifier blows it back into the room and repeats the process until the whole room's air is completely cleaned up. Weapon number 2, vacuum cleaner with the HEPA filter. We're talking about classic vacuum cleaners, cleaning robots, and cordless vacuums. Those little allergic monsters love to hide in carpets, blankets, pet beds, and on furniture. When you clean up regularly, you get rid of them and ease those annoying allergy symptoms. The vacuum sucks in the air, which then passes through a HEPA filter. It's a dense grid that traps pollen, dust mites, and dust. After the air goes through the filter, it's a whole lot cleaner. The vacuum releases it back into the room. And now, take a deep and healthy breath. Weapon number 3, steam. Steam is puffed from steam cleaners, mops, and irons. Hot steam is ruthless towards bacteria, viruses, and dust mites. The high temperature kills microorganisms and makes them lose their allergenic properties. You can use steam all over the house, on clothes, curtains, mattresses, and furniture. You can clean kids' toys and pet beds. It's handy for cleaning bathrooms, kitchens, and floors. It's safe for various surfaces and super effective. Allergens can really mess with your day and give you a hard time. But luckily, there are gadgets out there that are eager to help you fight back. Have you tried them? How did they work out for you? I'm curious how you handle these pesky allergens. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to smash the like button and hit subscribe to stay connected. Thanks for watching and have a good one.